Miss Emily. Today we're going to do a step-by-step art instruction. All you need is a piece of paper and something to write with. I'm going to draw something and then you are going to copy me and draw the same thing. Let's get started. First, I'm going to draw a shape on my paper. I wonder what shape this is. That's right, it's a circle. After I draw my circle, I'm going to draw 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just like that. That kind of looks like a sun. After I draw my lines, I'm going to draw 5 semicircles around the lines, just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. What does that look like to you? It looks like a flower. Now we're going to draw a long line for the stem. Then we're going to do 2 ovals on the bottom of the stem for the leaves. 1 and 2. Our leaves need some lines, so let's draw those right down the middle. 1, 2. And there you go. You've drawn your very own spring flower. Have a good day. I'll see you tomorrow.